Hello guys, it's RJ's Videos here, and this is probably the most exciting video of the series. Last episode, so let's get started. You probably can't see the baby sea monkeys right now because they're very tiny, and they like hiding, and the camera's quite far away, so we'll be able to sort that out in a sec. But just take a quick look around. So there's one literally just there. It's that small blob. You really can't see them very well. This camera isn't doing a very good job of showing them. So they're actually quite big in real life. They're like 2 millimeters long, not full grown. Ah, yeah, one just went through the magnifying glass. So we have it set to focus on the magnifying glass nice and closely, and they're really hard to capture because they are quite fast, and I can't see it anymore. That white thing there, I think is it. Thing is, it's too small. Camera doesn't have focus area that size, so oh yeah, there's one down there. Oh, so it looks empty to you. Can you see that speck swimming around? Because that is a sea monkey. There's about 10 of them. Oh, I'm doing this using a magnifying glass. But illustrates the point of being able to see them just about. Not amazingly, but good enough. That's what it's like without. So that's pretty much it. Very exciting that they've hatched, and I'll probably do an update in about a week when you'll be able to see them. They should have grown a bit. They might even be double the size. I hope you enjoyed this video. Also, I would like you to check out the YouTube channel Lewis9804. He's a very good YouTube channel. It's a gaming channel, and his videos are really good. So there'll be a link at the end. And also, please can you check out the rest of the playlist? There'll also be a link. So thank you for watching. Thumbs up if you like. Subscribe. Bye.